In this video, we'll create a step slide, which is perfect for describing individual steps in a process. Let's get started. First, insert 3 shapes onto the slide. We'll remove the outline and fix this alignment. Now we're going to insert shapes to represent the different steps, each with a unique color. For example, the first step will be yellow, the second step will be blue, and the third step will be pink. So here we have our 3 steps, each with a distinct color. Next, we'll insert another shape, place it on the slide, and add some text inside. After that, we'll group the shape and text together. Add steps number on colored shape. Next, we'll align the text and shapes on the slide. Now first steps show the text shapes and hide text shapes for second and third steps. Now, let's duplicate this slide. On the new slide, we'll hide the first step and reveal the second step shape. Repeat this for the third step on the next slide. Finally, let's select all the slides and apply a morph transition effect. Now when we click, step 1 appears, then step 2 and finally step 3.